Hey everybody, it's Jared Snyder. I just finished my workout. What I did for a workout today basically was I did 6.5 miles easy on the treadmill because we're getting this crazy snowstorm outside. So I just decided to do the run inside on my treadmill. But anyways, I want to talk about a goal I set for myself in 2023. January, when New Year's came, I set a goal, and basically my goal is to run a 5K under 20 minutes in the year of 2023 at my age of 41. So that is my goal. I have been working hard. I am following a plan on Map My Run. I love the app. I've been on it for a while. And I just like the training and how everything just comes together. It works for me, so I love that. But I had a 5K this past Sunday, and I ended up doing really well at it. I didn't run my goal time. I ran a time of 21:24, which is 6:53 per mile. But I am getting my time down, and I won this plaque. 2003 Portage Winter Blast 5K, first place male overall, Masters 40 and over. So I was 7th out of 196 runners that were there. The guy that had won the Masters last year was 24 seconds behind me. So it went really well. My next race is April 8th, and so I'm training in a training block for that. I know that this next course is going to be really hilly because I did it last year, but we're going to give it our all and see what happens. My best time in 2022, though, for the 5K was 20:48, and I ran that in Lansing. So still working hard and trying to get my times down, working on more weightlifting and just everything like that. So if you have any questions or comments of what I'm doing, maybe I can help you figure out some stuff about your running that might help you get an edge. But anyways, I hope that you guys are all doing amazing. I'm gonna start making more videos on here and just vlogging about my 40-year-old journey as a master runner. And just trying to take titles from all the road races that I go to. So, but anyways, take care. God bless. I love you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.